Miss Lauren time. We are at Encore Performance Dance Studios, Chantilly, Virginia. I want to thank Renor and Mario who own this place for allowing us to record, and they're an amazing place to learn how to dance. They've been here 15 years. Everything about them is going to be in the description box, so please check them out if you're in the area. They support all ages. If you want to learn how to dance, it's a great place for it. So, Miss Lauren and I, a long time ago, a few months ago, did a move called slow walks. I'm going to put a link to that in the video, so if you want to see that. But this is circle walks. So, it's almost the same thing, but it's not. Now, you do need room for this on the dance floor. If it's crowded, probably can't do it very well because you want to travel. First, we're going to show you how to do it, and then show you how to do it. That's right. Sugar push. So first, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to get into it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like I'm doing some circles, okay? But it's complicated as far as how to lead this because it takes both hands to do it. After you get to 4 in a sugar punch, okay, remember, look how far we ended up. We traveled quite a bit. So if you're doing this style of dance, you know this style of dance is really, you don't need a lot of space for it. So if there's people around, wait for people to move. After 4, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. She's stepping back on 4 because I'm pushing her there. So my right hand is I'm going to rotate it over and then pick it up. Okay, so it's just rotate, pick it up. It's a clockwise rotation, okay? And I never let go of her left hand. As I'm doing the first one with my right, I'm pushing her with my left. And then when I'm holding on to her left, I'm rotating it around as well. So as soon as I'm rotating, let's just kind of stand here. I'm rotating, I stay connected. I rotate, stay connected. So you're doing really her wrists. You can't use your hands. Too many fingers, too many things. So really connect with the wrist, hold on. So try to do this slow, which Lauren didn't know I'm about to do this. And after 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm going to rotate, connect, rotate, connect, rotate, connect, rotate, connect, and then we triple to finish. Okay? And it just really requires this rotation. Let's go this way because it's my left hand. So after 4, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do my right, left, and then we triple. Now, mostly when I'm doing this, I'm kind of watching because she's not expecting this. But as soon as I rotate, 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 pick up her wrist when I'm done. And that's all it is. We're just walking, moving her back down the track, but I'm adding these little circles to the move. So
all on the wrist.
All on the wrist. Thank goodness. Sugar push. Then we're going to go into the walks. Okay, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, they begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, I'm not looking at her, I'm looking at the camera and I messed up.
That's okay, that's okay.
Arms are everywhere. So let's do it again. Yeah. I'm going to look at it. It's better to look at her. Sorry, another person. Sugar push. 3 and 4. And then we're going to get into it again. Because you really got to pay attention to it. 3 and 4, we're going to go boom, 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 boom. And plus, I learned this, somebody showed me this years ago, we were salsa dancing. He was doing this, so it's taken me years to kind of get that. So I owe it to him. I don't remember his name, but I'm forever grateful he showed it to me because I'm finally, years later, able to share it with you. So I hope you like it. Practice this rotation. Because remember, guys, you just got to let go, connect, let go, connect. And you just got to practice that over and over. And once you do, it really becomes second nature. You've got to get to that stage first. Okay, what's Miss Lauren do? I know, now you want.
So I am a facilitator and a coach. My practice is called Dancing with Markers because I'm a visual facilitator and coach. I'm based in the DC area. I also work online. So if you have an offsite you're trying to plan, team building work, leadership development, maybe you want to coach, definitely check my website out and reach out. Maybe I can help you. dancingwithmarkers.com.
Who she is as an entrepreneur. I'm going to put everything in the description box below. So please, after you give us a thumbs up because you like this video and you're going to use the move, that you also check her out and support her. If you don't have a business or don't do anything that involves her business, refer those links to someone else. She'll help you out like she helps me. Thank you, Ms. Lauren.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like this. Use it. Until next time.
Keep dancing.